Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and you are watching Apple World, and I'm going to show you guys six of the best and hidden feature with the iOS 16. I don't think anybody have been talking about these, so that's why I decided to make a video and bring it out to you guys, so you guys can, use it on your daily basis. And I'm sure. If not all, some of these features that somebody out there that don't know that they exist on iPhone. So if you're iPhone user and you have latest iOS 16 installed on your phone, these are the best and far most useful feature that I think you should know. So now before we start this video and before I show you guys, please let me ask you guys to subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video like this. Now that's been said, let's dive in and let me show you guys. So the first feature is the smart folder, and how you what to do, and all you have to do is to open your note folder, um, notes on your phone, and like this. And then what do you want to do? You want to click on the bottom left corner. You will see the folder with a plus icon. Click on that, and it will bring out this window right here. And as you guys can see, make into smart folder, organize using tags and other filters. So we're going to click on that. And as you guys can see, we got all these options right here. You can pick any, whatever you want to do. You can do tags, create, edit, shared, um, and all these, rest. And then for purpose of video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on create right here. And as you guys can see, we got option. You can do today, yesterday, 7 days, 30 days, 3 month or 12 month, or you can customize the last option. You can see custom. So for sake of this video, I'm gonna click on 7 days, and as you guys can see, on the top, able filter created last 7 days. So from here, all you want to do is hit on done, and then done again. And as you guys can see right here, it created the new smart folder right here. And as you guys can see, it automatically transferred two of my notes into new folder without me doing anything. So this is the best function and best feature on iPhone we can use. And I thought it was best to bring it out to you guys. So the next one is about your long-term battery life. So basically, when your phone is hot, you've been out, in a hot weather, or you've been using your phone a lot, and your phone is really really hot. And if you think you feel your phone is hot, don't plug it to the charger, because once you're gonna plug it into charging cable, this is the message you're gonna get is the charging on hold. Charging will resume when iPhone return to normal temperature. So this is the function that just came out with the iOS 16, and this is really helpful. And if you by accidentally that you don't know if your phone is hot and you plug it in, if you get that message, you want to unplug and wait for your phone to cool down. Now the next one is going to be in the Apple Music application. This is really really awesome, a really helpful trick, and I'm going to show you guys right now. And if we click on the Apple Music, open up, and you're playing a song, or album, or and let me turn the volume down so we don't get copyright. And let's say you're playing music, and right now I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro Max. As you guys can see, there's music and island up there. But if we revoke the spot search right here, as you guys can see right here, so once we go to the spot search, as you guys can see right here, you got the second uh, platter right here. It shows you the artist name and everything. And if you want to, if you're listening to a song that you really love and you want to learn more about the artist, you can just click on this card right here, and it will bring you to their main page about the artist. As you guys can see, you can see the date of birth, country of and citizenship, birth name, and birthplace. So you get to see show you all the information of that artist. This is really really awesome feature, and I don't think not a lot of people know about this. And now that's out of the way. The next one is going to be making your screenshot better. So what this does is basically, let me show you guys in action. So if I take a screenshot right here, like this, and then you open up, and normally if we are on a website or we are see something that we want to share with the family or friends, and what we do, we take a screenshot, and you already know in the bottom you have all the drawing and pencils and everything. But if we want to circle a specific spot of that screenshot, we can just um, draw a line like this. But now with iOS 16, you can actually make a really perfect circle. So let me show you guys. So what do you want to do? You want to put a circle like this, and then you want to hold for a couple seconds, and it will make a perfect circle just like that you see in this picture right here. And if you want to draw an arrow, you can draw a perfect arrow. Let me show you guys. So draw a line, and without lifting a finger, just hold for a couple seconds. It will draw a perfect arrow just like this one. And in my opinion, it makes your screenshot look more professional and for more clean look. So that's somebody I don't think not a lot of people know about this, so that's why I wanted to put this in this video. And then a second option that we just got it in iOS 16 is when you're done with the screenshot, and if you hit done on the top left corner right there, and as you guys can see, you got the two option, uh, copy and delete, or you can delete screenshot like previous to iOS 16 and for example, iOS 15, we had only one option to delete screenshot, but now you can copy and delete. So what this gonna do, if we do copy and delete, it will delete the screenshot, but it will save to your clipboard, so you can later on you can paste anywhere else that you want to send it to somebody, or you want to post on your social media, or any platform you want to use. You still have the screenshot on your clipboard, but it's not on your photo library. So this is really handy, really awesome function, and I hope uh, you guys already know about this, but if you didn't, now you know. So the next one is going to be delete is stock applications. So previous to iOS 16, for example, in iOS 15, iOS 14, or iOS 13, we couldn't delete the stock iOS applications, but now we can. So let me give you a really really awesome example for this. So as you guys can see, I got the wallet right here, and right now, as you guys can see, it says remove app. So that will remove from the from the home screen, it will not delete, but wait to you update to uh, iOS 16, the final um, version, and then you'll be able to. But then at the same time, as you guys can see right here, we got the health application. If we press and hold, um, we can remove, but oh, sorry, we can hit on remove, and as you guys can see, we got the application. We can literally delete health application from our device. So that way, if you're not using the health application and you don't like to use it, so that way you can delete it from your home screen, so you have a more space for whatever you want to use more space for. And same goes for the wallet. If we click on remove, and as you guys can see, we got the delete option right here. So just like that, any stock application that you don't like to see on your home screens, or you want to save more storage on your device, you can remove um, those application. As you guys can see, same goes with the Find Mine. Now you can able to delete it. So the next one and the last function that we are going to talk about is in a health application. So what do you want to do? Open up the health application, and here you can schedule your medicine, any kind of medicine that you take. And sometime, we forget, we all human being, and we make mistakes and we forget about it. But if you're iPhone user and you have the latest iOS 16 installed on your device, you are in luck. And what do you want to do? Open up the health application, and you want to click on browse right here on the bottom. You will see three options: summary, sharing, and browse. So click on browse, and as you guys can see, this is the list normally you get see. But right now, the option we are going to talk about, how to schedule a medicine. So as you guys can see, this tab right here for medicine, and as you guys can see right here, so this is what I created for myself. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create one more. So you can list as many medicine you want, but for the purpose of this video, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on this plus sign right here, and as you guys can see, this is the information. I set it, the alarm for 9:30. It reminds me every single day, and I'm gonna say taken, done, and just like that. So you will see the pop up on your lock screen on your device, whatever the even you're browsing through and you're watching YouTube. When that time comes, you will get the notification that it's time for you to take your medicines. So this is really really awesome. And as you guys can see right here, right under my scheduled medicine, there's add medicine right here. So let me show you guys how to do. You can search for medicine. You can take a picture from your medicine bottle. So right here, what are we going to do? I'm just going to create one, dr, and actually right here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick this one right here, the first one, suggested one, and then you want to select when will you take this. Let's say every day, and then the next time of the day, you want to click on this, and let's leave it on the default 11:25. Next, and then you can choose a shape. So we're going to do this right here. Scroll down, and then next, and then you can change the color too, like look at like this. So scroll down, hit next, and as you guys can see right here, this is the schedule, and as you guys can see, you can select the display name, and then you can put the note right here in there, and then you want to hit next, and then you got, this is really awesome, really handy screen right here that health will let you know about precipitating between medicine on your list. It can also check for these three things: alcohol, carbonates, and tobacco. So you want to turn these, whatever you think you want to know information about, and then you want to hit done. Just like that, as you guys can see, now we got two medicine schedule, and this is really awesome, and I think everybody is going to love this function. And just want to say thank you to Apple, that they able this function, and a lot of people will benefit from this. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see if there's anything else that I miss. I will bring it out to you guys in the next video. And that's why, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, and also smash that bell icon so you get notified when I drop a next video like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.